Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to call your dog. The first tip to dog calling is to have a dog. Cats don't count. First thing you want to do, if your dog is not coming right, then you just need to call her like this. Say, if your dog has a name, just say the name. Cha-cha! 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 See how well trained she is? This is why I've been training my dog for years and years. Second thing you'll want to do is to have a good stance when you're calling your dog. Don't be limb-legged like this. They'll come and tip you over. Like, what? If I stand like this and go, cha-cha! 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 Cha-cha, come here! And see, it doesn't work. Because she just hits you over. So you want to be in a good stance like this. Because, cha-cha, watch this. Cha-cha! 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 She's coming too fast. You can just stop her and say, stop. I don't want you this close running that fast. So you say, stop. Stop. Cha-cha. Stop. It works well. Third thing you want to do is to practice your voice every day. Wake up in the morning and go, that should get you about ready for half a day. So, the next thing you'll want to do is just call the dog's name and say, Cha-cha, come. Hey, Cha-cha, come. Cha-cha, come with me. See, and that normally works pretty well. So the next thing you'll have to do is maybe get some hand motions. Normally this is the one that I use, if your dog still isn't coming well. Which she is, for me, but maybe not you, okay? So go, cha-cha! 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 I said cha-cha! 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 Next thing you want to do is maybe she's still not coming. You say, you need to come with me. And then maybe take a little run. And you just gotta take a run. Run. She bites my fingers. So next you just gotta get it. Cha-cha! Ow! Ow! Cha-cha! Ow! 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 Ow!
hospital and say you don't belong there. Then pull out her leg like this, because she doesn't know what to do. She might kick you in the face a couple times. Ow! Cha-Cha! You'll behave next time. Ow! See, this is how you control a dog. Just like you own it. Don't let it take you down.
And then, if none of that's working, just take it for a jog. Ow! Stop!
No, not me.
Okay. If none of that's working, take your dog for a jog. You just say, "Come with me." It's so fun. Ow! Cha-cha!